magnitude 6.9 earthquake followed by another magnitude 7.1 tremor struck Thursday off the southern Japanese island of Kyushu. This was reported by the United States Geophysical Service (USGS). The Pacific Tsunami Warning Center declared that there is no immediate threat of tsunami following the tremors. After the two earthquakes with magnitudes 6.9 and 7.1, the local meteorological agency has issued a tsunami warning for coastal areas. Well, this is all. Excuse me for my terrible English, but I'm an Italian boy. So there is an earthquake in Japan, two earthquakes of magnitude 6.9 and 7.1. Thank you everyone, and if you want you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye bye.